Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back to Math Today. Our lesson today is hopping along the number line to 100. So to warm up, let's count by tens to 120, starting at 10. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Good job, friends. Let's do it one more time. And this time we're going to try to go a little bit faster. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Good job, friends. I know you are doing a great job counting by tens. Make sure you continue to practice that today. Okay, so for today's lesson, you are going to need your student workbook, page 23, and a pencil. So if you don't have those two things with you right now, please go ahead and pause the video, grab your student workbook, page 23, and a pencil, and then come on back and restart the video. Today we have a new large number line, and we're going to compare this number line to the one that we've been using. So we have just been using a number line with 0 to 10. Sometimes we used 0 to 20, but this time we're going to use the number line from 0 to 100. So we're going to be counting by tens on this number line. So at the top number line, we have starting at 0 and ending at 100. So this little frog hops along the long string just like the other, but now he hops by tens instead of ones. So this is Tad right here. And instead of hopping by 1, 2, 3, 4, he's hopping by 10, 20, 30, 40, and so on. So what number comes next when you're counting by tens? So after 10 comes 20. What comes after 30? 40. Good job. What comes after 60? Good job. 70. So now we're going to look at Tad, and from the 0 to the 40, how many hops does he need to take? Let's go ahead and count that. So he's going to start at 0 and go to 40. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it takes him 4 hops to get from 0 to 40. That's very similar to when we're counting by ones on the number line. If he wanted to get to 4, he went 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so boys and girls, this is going to be similar to counting by ones, but now we're just counting by 10. So we're taking 10 hops in one hop. All right, so how many hops if he starts at the 0 to get to 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good job. How about 90? Let's count how many hops to get to 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 hops for Tad to get from 0 to 90. Good job. So one day, Little Frog woke up on the 0, and suddenly he realized he was late to go swimming with his friends. So he made 4 hops up to the 40. So let's count the tens together. 10, 20, 30, 40. So now he's on the 40, but he didn't see his friends anywhere. So he made 2 more hops. Ready? 10, 20. Where did he land? He landed on the 60. Good job. So Little Frog helps us to see that 40 plus 20 is 60. But he didn't find his friends. He could hear them having fun in the water. So he turned around and went 2 hops or 20 back the other way. where do you think he's going to land? He's on the 60 right now, but he's going to hop backwards 20 or 2 hops. 1, 2. Did you say that he would land on the 40? If you said that, give yourself a pat on the back because you are correct. So now we can see that 60 minus 20 equals 40. Here's another one. Little Frog was sitting on the 0 and decided to go catch some bugs. First, he hopped to 30, and then he hopped 20 more. Where did he land? So first he hopped to 30. 10, 20, 30. Then he hopped 20 more. 10, 20. Where did he land? He landed on the 50. He didn't see any bugs there, so he hopped 20 back the other way. Where did he land now? He's on the 50 and he's going to hop 20 back. 1, 2. So 50 minus 20 equals 30. Little Frog was sunning himself on the 0. He heard a fish splash up the stream, so he decided to go take a look. First, he made a long hop to 40, but he didn't see a fish. Then he went 30 more. Where did he land? He's going to take a long hop. So he's going to start at 0, and he decided to take a long hop to the 40. So I'm going to take one long hop to the 40. Okay, he didn't see the fish there, so he went 30 more. Where is he going to land if he's on the 40 and went 30 more? Let's check that out. 10, 20, 30. So he lands on the 70. So 40 plus 30 equals 70. Do you think he found his fish there? I don't know. Let's check it out. He did see the fish jumping in the stream, but then he heard his mother call him back home. So he took 7 hops back. That's 70 the other way. Where did he land? He's on 70. He's going to take 7 hops back, which is 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. If you said 0, give yourself a pat on the back because 70 minus 70 equals 0. All right, so you're going to need your student workbook, page 23, and I would like you to go ahead and write this equation up at the top. You're going to write 30 plus 10. So go ahead and do that now. Find page 23 and write next to the letter A, 30 plus 10. We're going to write the expression. So our expression or equation is 30 plus 10. And then we're going to record the solution on the number line. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a long hop to 30. So we started on 30. Here's our long hop. And now we're going to add 10 more. So one more hop is 10. What did we land on? Did you say 40? Excellent. So you're going to write 30 plus 10 equals 40. So you can, that's what we're going to be doing on these next few number lines. So go ahead and take a moment to record that. One long hop to the 30 plus 10 equals 40. Okay, go ahead and write this equation on your number line. 40 minus 10. We're going to be starting on the number 40, which is right here. And we're going to take 10 back. So 10 hops, or 10 back, which is just one hop. So we're going to do that. Where did we land? On the 30. So go ahead and record that on your number line. 40 minus 10 equals 30. Okay, now we're going to go to letter C. Go ahead and write 50 plus 30. So the equation tells us we're going to start at 50. So I'm going to start right here at the 50. And I'm adding 30. So I'm going to take 3 hops. That's 30. 10, 20, 30. Where did I land? Correct. I landed on the 80. So we're going to write 50 plus 30 equals 80. Okay, now we're going to move on to our next number line. And this time we're going to write the equation 80 minus 30. So go ahead and write that on your number line next to the letter D, 80 minus 30. All right, so we're going to start at the number 80 because our equation says 80. That's our first number. And we're going to hop backwards 30. That's 3 hops. 10, 20, 30. Where did we land? On the 50. So 80 minus 30 equals 50. Good work, friends. All right, now close your eyes and picture the frog on the 0 on the number line. He hops to 50 and rests for a moment, and then he hops 20 more. Where is he? So close your eyes, think of the number line. He's on the 0. He hops to 50. And then he hops 20 more. 10, 20. Where did he land? If you said he landed on the 70, you are correct. 50 plus 20 equals 70. Good job, friends. Okay, so now today you're going to go ahead and work in your workplaces. So you may work in 4A, the frog jump game, or you may work in Unit 4, Module 1 or 2, Manipulative Room, or any of the Unit 3 Carnival games. All right, friends, I hope you had a good time working with Tad today, and I will see you again for math tomorrow.